Alam ko ano mag-jaing ganit. Hala ka jaing, hala ka mukit ka nila. Ang dabar na dahil ka bahati niya.
Tadi ka spot niya ka yun magkakap ay konsisyon.
Sa kagan.
Kagan, mo, kagan.
Yes.
Oh.
Now this is a perfect spot for pictures because there
Yes.
you can see the Colosseum and the Arch of Constantine together.
Yeah.
From here.
Yes.
Get a picture from here. 44 actors, of which 27, 22 are open to the public. Okay. This street here where we are right now, this is called the La Via dei Trionfi. In English means the Triumphal Street or Triumphal Road, because in the ancient time, when the Romans used to conquer new territories, they were coming back to Rome, all happy because they conquered new places, new territories. So they were coming like in a big triumph with a long procession. So they were coming here, passing through this triumphal arch, the triumphal arch of Constantine, and then going on the left side towards the most important street in the ancient times, called the Sacred Street, which started from there. Sacred Street because inside there were sacred temples. Like that one there is the temple of Rome and Venus, built by the Emperor Adrian in the 2nd century AD, started to be built 121 and opened to the public around 135, but completed by the Emperor Septimius Severus around 160. But over there, before that temple, there used to be the atrium of the Domus Aurea of the Emperor Nero, because this palace at the beginning was on the Palatine Hill over here. But then because of the fire of the 64, he built a new palace on the Hopio Hill. On that hill, Rome is located in 7 hills.
No.
Kini kita coba upline man page agamet jauh Pope Francis bentar kesini dah kisi tahu kentar ne para John Rudan ne te kalau kita ke ini kita kisi kenduk sini.
Voli da zna sve šta je vidio.
Ja volim.